Welcome to the Ultratech Cement Virtual Reality Walkthrough. We are a part of the Aditya Birla Group, one of India's most renowned conglomerates, and its 150-year legacy of industrial excellence. With operations in over 36 countries in metals, fashion apparel, carbon black, telecom, chemicals and fertilizers, and of course, cement. Ultratech Cement has established itself as India's largest manufacturer of high-quality gray cement, ready-mix concrete, building products, and white cement. With a network of 22 integrated plants, 1 clinkerization plant, 26 grinding units, and 7 bulk terminals, Ultratech has an installed capacity of more than 116 million tons of gray cement per annum. Ultratech cement plants, the largest and most sophisticated in India, are located strategically to source the best limestone, other raw materials, and incorporate state-of-the-art technology at every state of manufacturing. Journey of high-quality cement begins by sourcing high-quality limestone from the finest mines, vast areas which are rich with millions of tons of cement-grade limestone. Pre-assessment of limestone quality across the entire area of the mines at various depths is the first step which enables optimal blending. This process ensures homogeneity of limestone quality. The next step is blasting, which allows for the excavation of this highly valuable limestone. Once excavated, it is transported by dumpers to the crusher house. The limestone boulders from the mines are crushed down to smaller size aggregates in the crusher, and then moved to the storage yard through a covered belt conveyor, which protects it from atmospheric factors and pollution. Cross-belt analyzers installed along the conveyor ensure efficient quarrying and consistent limestone stockpiles to get optimal blending of raw materials that can achieve the desired quality and moisture of raw meal. The massive stackers at the storage yard store the limestone in either horizontal or circular manner in layers of uniform thickness. The reclaimers, in turn, collect the limestone in a sloping, downward cut, thus blending it from the cross-section of all layers, ensuring uniformity. Vital steps are taken during the limestone storage process to ensure consistency. The next step is the grinding of limestone with the additives such as bauxite, laterite, and lithomerge. The composition of the additives is carefully adjusted through automatically controlled weigh feeders. The raw mill then grinds the limestone along with these high-quality additives into a fine powder called raw meal. The raw meal is then conveyed to a specially designed continuous flow silo, where the incoming material is perfectly homogenized during the mixing process. This has 7 separate sub-silos, each further divided into 6 compartments, achieving a total of 42 units from which material is drawn systematically to get thoroughly homogenized material for further processing. As you can see in this graph, the red line depicts the variations in the most important chemical in the incoming material, calcium oxide. The green line shows the same characteristic in the outgoing material, which is perfectly homogenized raw meal. The homogenized raw meal from the CF silo is carried to the preheater, where hot gases from the kiln are back-channeled to aid in the heating process, a mark of our energy efficiency. Both the preheater and kiln are fed by the best quality fuel, sourced globally. Inside the kiln, the raw meal is heated to temperatures of 1400 to 1450 degrees Celsius and exits the kiln in the form of nodules called clinker. Highly accurate thermal cameras continuously monitor and regulate the burning of the raw meal by adjusting the flow of pulverized fuel. All this happens from the central control room, where the burning is viewed on screen. Clinker is cooled down to around 110 degrees Celsius in our cooler unit, bringing together various phases in a desired crystalline structure. At the massive Peter silo, large quantities of clinker are stored, safe from external contamination. All these processes are closely monitored and controlled 24/7 by our team of experts at the beating heart of the cement plant, the central control room. Multiple parameters are regulated at each stage to ensure balance of physical and chemical properties, giving consistency in every batch of cement produced. Clinker and gypsum are ground using the advanced closed-circuit grinding system. Inside the ball mill, small steel charges help in creating an end product with optimal particle size distribution. If homogenization ensures consistency, then proportioning ensures high quality. We use quality control by X-ray, or QCX, at our sophisticated robotic labs to ensure perfect proportioning of raw material at the raw meal stage itself. Pallets are made using the samples drawn from the actual manufacturing process, and chemical analysis is conducted at the robo-labs to register the feed material quality. Within seconds of chemical analysis by XRF, the computer calculates the new feed proportions. By adjusting the speed of the feeder, it adjusts the deviation in the raw meal quality from the set quality parameters. This schematic diagram shows how these automated screenings and adjustments take place continuously to ensure consistent, high-quality cement. Detailed tests are also conducted on the finished product at the grinding stage, as well as during packing and dispatch. Our concrete labs assess the performance of cement in concrete to ensure the end customer does not face any quality issues on the field. This technological excellence bears fruit in the form of the finest quality cement in the industry. Our fully automated rotary packer ensures perfect product weight prior to dispatch. The bags are loaded onto the waiting trucks and wagons using automated loading systems, all monitored and regulated from our state-of-the-art control room. All factors bearing on cement quality are accounted for. Variations in composition of raw materials, heating and cooling rates, the degree of homogeneity, and precision control over the entire process ensure production of high-quality cement consistently. We have the most sophisticated distribution network, with over 1 lakh channel partners, to ensure that customers in every nook and corner have access to the best quality cement. Beyond volumes lies our values. A commitment to society at large and an emphasis on environmental protection is our continuous priority. Ultratech is certified as being 2.8x water positive and more than 2x plastic positive. Over 10% of our electricity consumption was met through renewable energy, including waste heat recovery systems. Our R&D is focused on generating high-quality products, while reducing our ecological footprint. With our technical services team, mobile concrete labs, and Ultratech building solution centers, we provide services such as cement selection, free on-site material and concrete testing, and expert guidance from planning to housewarming to ensure that our customers enjoy all the benefits of using high-quality cement. The ultimate test of the cement is the verdict of the customer. Ultratech Cement has remained as the #1 choice of leading construction companies, architects, engineers, masons, and individual home builders. Ultratech Cement, the #1 cement in India.